What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this. It's from Sun Joe, which is also Snow Joe. As you know, I have a Snow Joe snow blower, and I also have a Sun Joe electric chainsaw, and they all run off the same battery. And so I got this tiller from Sun Joe because it also should run on the same batteries I already have. And so when you buy just the core tool, you actually save yourself a bunch of money because you don't have to pay for batteries that you would otherwise. So it comes actually pretty compactly packaged. Looks like we have some knobs and things to assemble it here. We also have instruction booklet, and that's it. Everything else is here. So I'm going to get this thing unpacked and set up, and we will take a look at it. Okay, putting it together wasn't that hard. Just this upper middle handle and the top part of the handle needs to get assembled, and the bolt and the screw or the knob here just go in there, and then there are a couple of clips here to hold this wire out of the way. So down here it's already set up. The wheels here make it pretty easy to get around. Just tilt it up and start pushing it, even on the uneven lawn here. So, Snow Joe battery here. Let's just go ahead and flip this up, slide it in here. Seems to snug in there, click in there. Close that up. Now, if we go up here, I'm just going to angle it back on the back wheels here for a minute, and then go ahead and hit this button and pull, and boom, we've got spinning blades. Let's give it a try. Well, I'll be honest, the thing works great. It's nice and quiet, no gas, no fumes, no mixing oil and gasoline together, and the thing has quite a bit of torque. You know, I was just trying it on this dirt here, which is shaded and pretty dry, and I've got grass kind of growing in it, and so I have a lot of things like wood chips and mulch, and then obviously the grass roots and all these weeds growing in there, and it made short work of it. So I'm pretty impressed with this little Sun Joe. Definitely pretty powerful, and should be a nice addition to kind of churning up dirt and prepping ground before, you know, I put down some beautiful peonies. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.